everyone, I'm Maria, and today we're giving you an exclusive tour on a 4-bedrooms villa in Tumbak Bayuh, Bali. Whether you're looking for a new home or a smart investment, this might be what you've been waiting for. It's only 10 minutes away from the beach and 45 minutes from the airport. Priced at around 489,000 USD with a 23 years leasehold and a 25 years extension option, it's truly a rare opportunity. Oh, and if you enjoy this video, don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to get more about properties in Bali. Welcome to your home in Tumbak Bayuh. This villa is built on a 300 square meters and has a 454 square meters of living space. This is a perfect place for you who love a mix of comfort and elegance. Welcome to our private pool. It has a sunken area and a pool bar behind me. It's perfect for hosting parties with friends or just relaxing on a day to day. This villa is registered as Pondok Wisata. It is ready for daily rentals, making it an ideal type for your Bali investment. And now let's see on the inside. Next up is this open space living room, radiating minimalistic Mediterranean style and the sunken seating. The entire space, featuring beautiful marble floors, flows effortlessly into a state-of-the-art European kitchen. This kitchen isn't just all about looks. It is equipped with modern appliances and boasts this incredible marble top dining table. It's perfect for family dinner or just entertaining. On the first floor, we have the first guest bedroom facing the pool, with an ensuite bathroom, a cozy linen bedding, and a floor-to-ceiling window with a great pool view. The second guest bedroom, also facing the pool. It features an ensuite bathroom, a full-body mirror, and a floor-to-ceiling sliding glass doors with an elegant decor to pamper your guests. There are 2 additional guest toilets on the inside and on the outside, so both the owner and the guests can have the utmost convenience and privacy. This villa offers a laundry room and ample storage space for the owner's convenience. And now let's head up to the second floor. Here we have an enclosed living area, providing a cozy space for relaxation or family gatherings. And now let's check out the third guest bedroom. This bedroom is also with an ensuite, another private and comfortable space for your guests. Here is the master bedroom. It has an ensuite bathroom, a luxurious bathtub with an amazing view. The room is designed with comfort in mind, featuring high-quality linens and ample closet space. And now let's check out the third level, which is my favorite part, the rooftop lounge. Wow, this is the highlight of this villa. It has a kitchen and a barbecue set, and also a lounge area where you can enjoy the time with your friends. But wait, there's more. We have a plunge pool on the rooftop where you can enjoy and dive into the beautiful view of Bali landscape. With 4 sunbeds and an expansive outdoor living space, the rooftop lounge is designed for ultimate relaxation and entertainment. Thank you so much for joining us on this tour. If you love this villa or want to know more about properties in Bali, do drop a like, subscribe, and contact our team today. And stay tuned to get more updates on properties in this beautiful island of Bali and also investment tips from BNB Profits. That's it. I'm Maria from BNB Profits, and I'll see you next time. Bye!